Hello darlings, for today's video, I'll be creating a tie-dye inspired look. To start, I'm priming my brows with the Sigma Beauty Brow Wax and brushing the hair upwards with a spoolie. Then, I'm filling in the sparse areas of the brows with the sleek eyebrow stylist and setting the hairs in place with the Sigma Clear Brow Gel. Next, I'm cleaning up and defining the lower edge of the brow with the Plouise base in shade 0.5, which I'm then tapping onto my eyelid using the Morphe JH36 brush. Now it's time for the tie-dye look. First, I'm dipping into the Bperfect Staceymarie Carnival XL Pro palette and placing a dot of the purple shade called Wasted onto the area beneath the arch of the brow above the crease. Then I'm switching over to the Morphe James Charles palette and applying the pink shade called Skip around that purple dot. Next, I'm picking up the orange shade called 518 and applying it around the edges of the pink. Then I'm grabbing the yellow shade called B from the same James Charles palette and applying that onto either sides of the orange shade we just applied. Now I'm moving back to the Carnival XL Pro palette and mixing the two green shades called the Hype and Ecstasy, which I'm then applying next to the yellow. To complete the gradient, I'm picking up the blue shade called Showboat and applying that next to the green. Now that the tie-dye effect is complete, I'm cutting the crease. As usual, I'm using the Morphe JH42 brush and Plouise base to cut the crease. I'm starting at the inner corner of the eye, taking the product up through the crease and winging it out towards the tail of the brow. Since I have hooded eyes, I'm just making sure that it's higher than my natural crease so that you'll be able to see the work on my lid space. After cleaning it up a little bit with a Q-tip, I'm applying the same shades to the blank space on the lid. First, I'm applying the purple shade to the inner corner of the eye, and then I'm working through the gradient of shades from pink to orange, yellow, green, and finally finishing with the blue shade at the outer corner of the eye. Next, I'm taking some makeup remover on the Morphe JH43 brush and cleaning up the outer part of the eye so that the shades on the lid meet the shades in the crease at a point. Now for some glitter, I'm outlining the entire area we just cut out using the Pixi Liquid Fairy Lights in the shade Mirage. I'm adding some concealer against the edge of it so that I don't have to go near that area when I'm applying my face makeup. Next, I'm priming my face with the City Color Primer Oil and applying the Nars All Day Luminous Foundation in the shade Mont Blanc. After blending that in with a damp beauty sponge, I'm applying the Estée Lauder Double Wear Radiant Concealer in the shade 0.5 in underneath my eyes and to the center of my face. After that's blended, I'm setting it in place with the Hourglass Transparent Veil Powder using a slightly damp Morphe sponge. Now to add some definition to the face, I'm contouring with the bronzer shade from the City Color Cheek Me Out palette. I'm applying this to the areas of my face that I want to give structure to, such as the hollows of my cheeks, along the top edge of my forehead, and jawline. For blush, I'm applying the Pixi Glowy Powder in the shade Wednesdays to the apples of my cheeks and sweeping that upwards towards my temples. For highlight, I'm applying the Sleek Makeup Solstice palette to the areas I want to show off, like the highest points of my cheekbones, my nose, Cupid's bow, and inner corner of the eyes. Now for my lower lash line, I'm lightly sweeping on all of the shades of the rainbow as we did previously for a more pastel effect. Next, I'm curling my lashes, applying the City Color Be Batty mascara, and popping on some Salon Perfect lashDNA lashes in the style 681. Then I'm tightlining with the Pixi Endless Silky Eye Pen and applying mascara to my lower lashes. Finally, for lips, I'm applying the Liplift Max in Petal Ice by Pixi Beauty, which is a clear plumping lip gloss. And that completes this tie-dye look. Let me know what you'd like to see from me next in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!